Critical Success Factors, CSFs. Critical Success Factors, CSFs, are the limited number of areas in which satisfactory performance will ensure the organization achieves competitive success. These factors represent the key activities or capabilities that an organization must perform well in order to achieve its strategic objectives. CSFs are closely linked to the organization's strategy and competitive positioning. For example, an organization pursuing a cost leadership strategy may identify efficient production processes and low labor costs as important CSFs. Because only a small number of areas are truly critical, focusing on CSFs helps organizations concentrate resources and management attention on the factors that most strongly influence performance. CSFs are derived from several sources, including the industry environment, the organization's strategy, and its internal capabilities. Different industries have specific factors that determine success. For example, product quality may be essential in the electronics industry, while customer service may be critical in hospitality. In addition, the organization's strategic position and competitive approach influence which factors are most important. External environmental conditions, such as economic trends or regulatory changes, may also create new CSFs. Identifying these factors helps managers understand what the organization must excel at in order to outperform competitors and maintain sustainable success. CSFs are closely linked to organizational competences and must align with the organization's capabilities. Competences represent the skills and abilities that the organization currently possesses, while CSFs represent the areas where strong performance is required to succeed in the market. For effective strategy implementation, there should be strong alignment between the organization's competences and its CSFs. If gaps exist between the two, managers may need to invest in new capabilities, technology, or skills to strengthen performance in those areas. Regular analysis of CSFs ensures that the organization remains focused on the activities that most strongly contribute to long-term strategic success. Key Performance Indicators, KPIs. Key Performance Indicators, KPIs, are measurable metrics used to assess whether an organization is successfully achieving its critical success factors. KPIs translate broad strategic priorities into specific numerical measures that can be monitored over time. For example, if a CSF is efficient production, possible KPIs could include material wastage rates, production cycle time, or cost per unit. These indicators allow management to evaluate whether operational performance supports the organization's strategic goals. KPIs therefore provide a clear and measurable link between strategic objectives and day-to-day performance management. Effective KPIs must be measurable, relevant, and clearly linked to strategic priorities. If performance indicators are not directly connected to critical success factors, they may encourage behavior that does not support organizational strategy. For example, measuring only short-term financial results may discourage investment in innovation or customer relationships. Therefore, organizations should select KPIs carefully to ensure they reflect the factors that truly drive competitive success. KPIs should also be easy to measure using reliable data sources so that managers can track progress accurately and consistently across time periods. KPIs support strategic control by enabling organizations to monitor progress and take corrective action. Management regularly compares actual performance against KPI targets to determine whether strategic initiatives are delivering the expected outcomes. If results fall short, managers can investigate the causes and implement corrective measures such as process improvements, additional training, or resource reallocation. KPIs therefore play an important role in the strategic control process, ensuring that the organization remains on track to achieve its objectives. By linking KPIs to CSFs and strategy, organizations create a structured system for evaluating performance and improving decision-making.